Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching TechV, and today we are going to review the most favorite phone of most people all around the world, built by a company which is having a great story. Yes, we are going to review the new phone launched by Apple, iPhone 16 Pro. At start I will get the overview of this iPhone, and at the end I will share my review with you, so remain with me. For this we have to visit the official website of Apple, www.apple.com. The link is shared in description. So let's start our journey without being waiting. Thanks for waiting. Camera. Upgraded with an ultra-wide 48MP lens and improved camera control. Battery life. Enhanced battery life and faster charging capabilities. Software updates. Apple Intelligence AI features to be rolled out through software updates starting in October. Comparison. Offers minor upgrades over the iPhone 15 Pro. User recommendation. Praised for performance and camera improvements, but may not be a must-have upgrade for existing iPhone 15 Pro users. I hope you enjoyed the review. Give your comments and don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to us, and it helps keep you updated with the latest and greatest tech reviews.